Hello friends, today I want to give some useful points for young generation, particularly like in our Vestige you can do a business after you complete 18 years of age, and they are mostly useful for young generation and also for those who anywhere wherever you are in your life there are some points which will help you grow faster or move yourself smoothly in situations like for example if there are gears, there are car gears, wheels, so without any ball bearings or grease the vehicle will not move smoothly, right? So whatever the vehicle it is, two-wheeler or four-wheeler, proper ball bearings and greasing it is very essential for the smooth running. So similarly there are some skills which we can learn from the Vestige business which will help you to move your vehicle smoothly either in the same direction like in the same level, or you can move, grow your business or grow your job, grow your profile. So there are some skills which you can develop. I want to discuss regarding that. These are more useful for youngsters and people who want to grow. Mostly my videos will be useful for people who want to grow in their life, who have not their thirst of hunger to grow has not yet reached to the full potential. They have not been successful to the capability they can. So mostly my videos are related to that. And currently I am outside just now, met a doctor, endocrinologist, one of the special doctors for adult and pediatric endocrinologist, and a breast cancer doctor as a part of my job. I have completed as a medical transcription for 20 years. I did my B Pharmacy, but recent COVID changes, I had to stress more and it's affecting my eyes and health, so I had to change my profession after 20 years. There is no growth in that field, so I came into another field, another company. I cannot reveal exact details. As a part of my profession, I meet so many doctors of all specialties, diagnostic centers, nurses, labs. I had to deal with so many people, low profile, high profile people, like high qualified doctors and like nurses. We have to convince them to go to the doctors and at the same time convince them to get business for us. So for this I had to learn many skills, interpersonal skills, which mostly we do not get in our family system or in our educational system. Dealing with people, public speaking, interpersonal relationship. These skills mostly I have learned from Vestige business. Have been into different other companies also previously, network businesses, but the training system and the people whom I met, there is no that much support, strength in the system of training there. You can count on Vestige system. Whether you earn money there or not, definitely you will learn a lot of skills where they will be helpful for you to scale up or improve your journey. Let it go smoothly. It will help you to go smoothly. Like I said before, the people hesitated me before joining here whether I can handle or not, because I have been with the system for 10 to 12 hours I had not met most of the people. I don't know. They don't know how I can deal with different people, as I said before. But I surprised them. I'm able to bring business because of the skills I learned there. Of course, I do learn so many other seminars, webinars from the internet. I have been doing that, and I'll do that. So many public speaking skills, and I do attend so many seminars and the internet. So mostly we don't have money. We can just learn from Vestige. There are Western night also. I learned. I attended like our Vestige webinar, wonderful webinar given by one of the senior person, how to deal with newcomers. There are so much of training free of cost. You people have to get the benefit of it. Wherever you are, you give it a try definitely. You can join me. The number will be in the description. You can subscribe, share the link, share the video, share the videos, sub channel in your WhatsApp groups, Facebook groups, for whom you will feel useful. So disturbance near a hospital, just to meet the hospital doctor. I had to wait for 1 hour to meet the doctor. There are some patients. So one thing is definitely you will get good health. I know about the products. I am a pharmacist, B-pharmacist. My father has a medical shop, and I have been in the medical stores, and I have been in the network industries, different companies for several years, and I taught like teaching everything, health field I know. So definitely you will not be disappointed with the Vestige products. But I cannot say at the same time doctors are not useful. Definitely doctors are useful. We need them. There are some cases where we cannot, supplements only cannot deal so many complications. But that percentage is very less. The need to reach a doctor can be reduced 99% if you take care of your body with the supplements available with us, like Toxclean, diabetes, BP, all with using natural supplements you can improve your health a lot. Like for example, neem is there. We know neem is very good, but no one is taking neem because it's not available. But we have neem capsules. They help wonderfully. I use supplements. I have to travel a lot every day in different climate conditions. Supplements keep me energetic and healthy. And there are like cosmetics, wonderful cosmetics. One more thing, I am surprised, and I think I am just diverting, but I want to add few points. Cosmetics people are spending thousands of rupees. I see so many hospitals, doctors, cosmetic, hair, skin, nail, aging, anti-aging. So there is a lot of market. So many people are spending a lot of money, which you can like save so much of money here. And okay, I want to again come to the main topic. So as a distributor, you can join me. You can learn a lot of things. I can save you a lot of time about the company, about the industry. You can join in my team. I can give you 10 hours of information in 1 hour. Then we discuss. That's my guarantee, because I know how to tell, and I have the knowledge, and I have the skill. So there are many people who have knowledge, but they cannot share the information. They don't know how to, the way method to explain it. So how to we come across people like from educated, uneducated, different fields, business background, the youngsters, old age people. So many factors are there. Based on that, we need to able to explain that. So mainly for the youngsters, what I want to say is, when you join Vestige, you will learn so many things here. Not only just so many people think what network marketing, all this waste. But here so many issues related to network industries, all the burdens are removed here in this company. Just you can focus on You cannot, you don't have any problem. No one will be at risk because of the company or because of you. Company is not going to go anywhere as far as I know, because I know the fundamentals. I keep studying. I've seen companies collapsing and rising. I generally study about that also. So you can trust and count on the Vestige. And suppose you are in a job and there are 5 people, 10 people, 20 people, 30 people. There should be some leader, team leader, definitely, right? So how the management selects who should be the team leader? Think of it. Why the management should give you the opportunity to become a team leader? What do you have? So when you are a team leader, when you are a team player, you should be first a team player. You should be able to understand the requirements of company, of the job, of the project, and you should be able to mingle and inculcate, align with the management, top management. At the same time, you should be able to encouraging and understanding and convincing, persuading, and encouraging your team members. So these are the factors you should be able to balance, upline and downlines. This is what you will learn here. The Vestige business, you will come across so many uplines, you will come across so many downlines, you will come across some of the best people, some of the worst people. This skill will help you in your personal growth, in your business or in your job. That is very important. That will help you in your full life. Wherever you are, in whichever position you are, you will get good clients. You will be able to convince clients to get better percentage discounts or like better quality, or you can convince them to give delivery faster. So many skills you will develop. You can improve your customer base. You will be able to handle, see that works get smoothly, everything runs smoothly. You will be able to express yourself and you will know where to stop, where to run. So not always taking action is important. Not taking action is also important. Where should you apply the brakes? Where should you understand how to say? Not all things. Communication has only 23% average usage of words. Different parts of communication are there. Silence is also a communication. Body language, attire, etiquette, soft skills, interpersonal skills, public speaking, empathy, leadership, personality development. How you see yourself, whom you see to develop yourself, from where you take training, whom you follow, idols, how you manage yourself, personality, punctuality, habits, books you read, leaders you follow. So many things are there. So these all you can develop. So I think the video is becoming lengthy. That's it for today. And I wish all of you health and wealth. Use Vestige products and join me. Become my team members. Let us build a team, big team, and become healthy. Help others also build their health and wealth also. Improve your health, protect yourself from pollution, immunity, boost your immunity. I have so many points to discuss, but I don't want to keep it lengthy. We can discuss in other videos. So watch my other videos if you are interested. If you feel valuable, I try to see. I need to give 10x information. Actually, some videos, most of the videos will be more than that also. Yes. I read a lot, I search a lot, and I am able to give that information in a short video. I have that capability. Join me in the Vestige business and help yourself. You should feel lucky to use Vestige Beauty products and cosmetics, all these high quality cosmetics, and earn money, and so many 9 types of incomes, because I see so many people coming here, so they have money, they cannot avoid suffering. I cannot explain them, I cannot suggest them, because as a part of business I go, they came to hospital, and I cannot suggest them there because I am in a job. But I know the people are lucky. There are so many wonderful products here, either cosmetics or health supplements or daily products. It will help you a lot of reduce lot of suffering, avoid lot of suffering, become you, make yourself more beautiful, save a lot of money, give high quality products. I can assure that. You can just use them and earn money, and help others also, generate passive income, save your time, get your freedom. So wish you all the well. Wish you well. Have a fantastic day.